Hi, my name is John Osterkamp. I've been an orthopedic surgeon here at Verdugo Hills Hospital for 25 years. I first got interested in medicine because for me it's a perfect combination of science and caring for people. Orthopedic surgery has provided me with a chance to use my hands for good, and which is something that I've always liked doing, and also combining that with science and getting to know people and taking care of their problems of bones and joints. Orthopedic surgery is a specialty that takes care of problems of bones and joints. We take care of sports medicine injuries, of fractures and trauma. We reconstruct joints, knees and hips, and we manage infections and other problems. I like to get to know the families that I'm taking care of, and I like to be able to provide them with the best of medical care. Orthopedic surgery is a specialty that requires a lot of equipment. We constantly are changing our methods and our techniques, and Verdugo Hills has no problem with obtaining for us the best equipment possible. For me, Verdugo Hills Hospital is a special place to work. It has a certain community atmosphere that you don't find in larger hospitals. I take care of families at Verdugo Hills Hospital. I take care of the parents and the children and the grandparents when they have problems. I've gotten to know people in the community and have been caring for them for many years, and Verdugo Hills Hospital provides me a quality institution that I know will provide good care for them.